not touch. Okay, first we're going to do some practice. We can blend the different consonants with different vowels and to see what kind of syllables we can generate. For example, we can blend the first consonant in the consonant list and the first vowel in the vowel list. For example,
爸爸.
No, I'm not going to do that.
爸爸.
Right, it's 爸爸. Right, 爸爸, 爸爸. Good job. So next we are going to do a little bit more difficult. For example, so I'm going to write down this one. Can you figure out what word?
怎么说?
O.
A-N 怎么说?
A-N-G. It's A-N-G actually.
A-N-G 什么?
On. It's like here. Right.
Belong.
No, it's not English, okay?
Bo.
No. Lang, because it's a fourth tone, so it's 波浪. So let's look at 波浪, how to write the Chinese characters of 波浪.
我发现这就是我的仇人。
波浪. So this is 波浪. You understand? 波浪.
我只 understand that 就是学习是我的仇人。当我每次觉得猜的时候，都
Now I'm going to give you another one.
Mommy. E 怎么说 ？I 怎么说
I.
My.
Yeah, you are right. It's my. But how about this one?
T. A-N 怎么说
Just like English, okay? 特一安天 but
明天
No, but this is second tone, so 特一安天 You have to change it to the second tone. 天二声的怎么说呀？天也是一声，天甜 So which one? 甜 because this is the second tone, so it's 甜 So can you combine them together?
麦田
麦田 Do you know 麦田 Do you know what 麦田 Can you translate it in English?
就是小麦怎么用英文说
Wheat
farm.
Okay, that makes sense. Okay. So look at the Chinese characters. 麦田 麦田 Okay, let's try the next one. I'm going to use some words you will be really excited for. Okay.
什么能 excited 呢 Be excited.
Can you decode this word?
Q 怎么悲惨
This one. No.
悲惨
No, don't guess. Just try to spell them.
凄凉凄
Right, you got it.
L 怎么说？不是 I.
You got it. 妻
子
Very good. 妻子
Don't
She's the wife, right?
This is not company. 你总得说凄凉吧
Maybe next time, okay. Next one.
这对小孩教育很不好，对吗
Why? I'm just saying a regular word. Okay, how about this one? It's a fruit.
让我想
It's
想
a fruit you really love.
X 怎么说
This one. 机器
机器
机器吸吸 Yes, you're right.
吸那这个 I 怎么说
Just directly, you can spell it like English. This one. 歌乌啊歌乌啊
瓜。
So combine.
西瓜。
Very good. It's watermelon. Yes, you got it. Finally, you got it. Let's look at how we can write the Chinese characters. 西瓜. So the Chinese characters are like this. Do you remember? Try to memorize them, okay? Try to memorize their shapes.
西瓜，你可以个坏人，这根本就没有个人呢，总算也给一个方块，怎么就不是一个
？So 西瓜 ，Okay, let's look at that.
妈妈，我觉得西瓜应该要这样写哦。妈妈，我觉得应该要这样写。
我知道你要变化，你可以待会儿吗？我们赶快把这个录完好吗？
这是西瓜，丝瓜，
丝瓜，思念的思，丝瓜的丝。
丝瓜啥？
丝瓜是一种蔬菜，你没有吃过吗？
为什么还有个瓜呀？
丝瓜，下次应该给你买点丝瓜吃。
应该是丝菜才对。
好，我们再来一个好吗？How about this one?
这是受伤。
Well, try to spell it, okay? Use the knowledge you have just learned.
ONG 怎么说
？on
痛口
痛苦。So it seems like you're a lot familiar with the pinyin list. So let's read it again, okay? Until you have totally mastered it. Let's start from the first one.
B B P M F D T N L G K H J 西
Good job.
知道
Good job. Continue.
诗啊
Good job. Go ahead. No. This is 知道，然后把舌头放平就是Good job. Go ahead. Vowels.
I
Good. So let's just do this last four again because this is kind of complicated. How about this one? On, So let's give you some examples of on.
I don't want to listen the example. I want to say it again.
Okay, say it again. But let's like we say it in a word, okay? 疼 Please follow me. 疼痛的疼，然后英雄的英，灵气的铃铛的铃了营铃了翁龙会飞的龙了翁龙Okay, that's all for today. See you next time.